Nikita here. I'm the co-founder of Scented Stories, a third-generation entrepreneur and a content creator. At Scented Stories, our tagline is self-care meets aromatherapy. We make beautiful and unique scented candles, wax tablets, wax smells and more, all of which are definitely going to light up your homes and your hearts. So Christmas is just around the corner. We can feel the joy in the air, and for festive season we have come up with 3 different amazing candles that I want to show you guys today. The first one is called Christmas in a Cup. This is a vanilla scented candle, and inside you can see a candy cane and stars which represent Christmas, of course. The second candle is of course a Christmas tree, because we can't have Christmas without a Christmas tree. This one is a caramel scented candle and it smells absolutely amazing, like cookies I would say. And the third one are snowflake candles, and though we may not have snow in most parts in India, we can at least light these candles and enjoy them. We have them in 3 colors, that is pink, green and white. So today I'm actually going to be showing you how to make these candles. It's a very interesting process and I hope you guys like it. Let's begin. So we have already melted the wax, a mix of soy wax and bee wax, and now we're going to check the temperature because it's very important to pour at the right temperature. So the temperature is around 200 degree Fahrenheit now, so I can start adding all the things. First up is coconut oil. So coconut oil makes the candle's consistency really good and helps with the flame throw. So I'm adding coconut oil first and stirring it well. Next up we have a hardening agent. This is especially necessary when making pillar candles and independent candles which are not really in jar containers, but it helps to add these agents to all the candles that you're making. Next is the perfume. And let me tell you, this smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it too. Stir the perfume for a longer time so that it really blends with the wax and the oil. Otherwise, the perfume usually settles at the bottom. This is the jar, and as you can see, we have already put the wick inside. And now I'm going to pour this into the jar. We take a wick holder and we basically place it on the wick like this. This is so that the wick remains in the middle and doesn't lean to the left or right. So it's going to take some time for this candle to solidify, maybe around 3 hours, and only after that we have to put the candy cane and the stars on top. Only then it will sit perfectly on the candle. So we're going to wait until that happens and we're going to move on to the next candle. Next, we are doing the Christmas candle. This is the mold of the Christmas candle, and we have, Christmas tree candle, and we have already kept it inside the jar. And I've also followed all the steps that I had followed previously, but there is one addition to it, and we're going to be adding color. Green color. Okay, so when the color mixes with the wax, it looks really pretty. So we have put it into the mold, and we again have to give it some time to set, because this is a pillar candle and it is independent. It does not have a container. It takes longer time to set. We usually leave it at least for a day because we don't want to cause it to break when we're taking it out. So now we will move on to the third one. The fragrance we're using for this one is vanilla, and trust me when I say that vanilla is one of our best fragrances. Everyone seems to absolutely love it, and when you smell it, you really feel like eating it. You shouldn't, but you'll definitely feel like eating it. For this one, we'll be doing a pinkish red colors. Now we pour. So for this candle, unfortunately, there's no place to put a wick. So we first pour it, and once it hardens, we actually have to drill it. We have to make a hole and then we have to put the wick. It's pretty complicated, but yeah, when you see the final result, it looks worth it. So the candles are all ready and looking really pretty, if I say so myself. So let's talk about how to achieve the perfect finish. So any kind of pillar candle, as I mentioned, you really need to let it stay in the mold for at least a day. And when you're taking it out, you have to be very careful. No rushing, no hurrying. Just peel it very slowly and make sure that the shape and the design stays intact. The snowflake candle, as I said, we had to drill a hole through this to put the wick over here. So to drill the hole, we took like a very fine needle, and that's how we did it, and then we put the wick inside. As I said, again, you have to be very careful while doing these things. We waited for the candle to solidify properly. We made sure that it was not even a little warm or wobbly, otherwise this would have just sunk inside due to the weight. So we waited for the right time for it to solidify, and then we put these at the end. Now these lovely candles are available on Vaaree, on their website as well as their store. So you can go check them out and you can buy it and you can make your festive season better. And before I go, I just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2024. Thank you for watching.